There are two kerf plates on your miter saw, one on each side of the blade. The kerf plates are adjustable so a tight opening can be maintained around the blade. A tight opening reduces tear out and helps to prevent scrap pieces from kicking back. The kerf plate can become cracked or broken if there's a kickback. If you keep it adjusted very close to the blade, it will eventually become cut due to blade deflection. Replacing the kerf plates is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before making any repairs to your miter saw or any other power tool, make sure that you have it unplugged. Each kerf plate is secured to the saw with 3 screws. I'll remove the 3 screws out of the kerf plate and then pull the kerf plate from the base. To install the new kerf plate, I'll slide it underneath the fence and align it down into the base, and then secure it with the screws. At first I'll leave each of the screws loose, so the kerf plate can be adjusted as needed. I'll lower the blade and push the kerf plate in or pull it back according to how close I want it to the blade. And I think that looks pretty good, so I can tighten the screws down all the way.